Ja. Excuse me?
Let me follow you so you get a good video.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, here, come here. Okay. So much better. This is how I do all my Instagrams.
Oh, okay.
Alright, go for it.
North slope.
This one. Let's see that sweet form. Go for it.
Alrighty, thank you.
It's running? Is it on? Yeah. Now let's go over here.
Alright, I'm out of gas. Yeah, me too. Oh, thank you so much, sir.
You got it.
Alright.
You putting that on Instagram?
Huh?
You putting that on the gram?
Yeah.
What's your name?
It's Mitzerh. Woo. And I can follow you too.
Yeah, tag me.
Oh, awesome. Thank you, sir.
You got it, dude.
Woo.
Hold that bitch behind me for a second. I'll show you some shit you never seen before.
Oh, heck yeah.
Hold on. Ready?
Go for it.
You gotta move. You gotta
Oh, hold on. All right. Woo! Nice. Woohoo! Woo!
You know how to edit with the Instagram?
Oh yeah, yeah, I love it.
My one buddy and I have been making videos with iPhone, and it's you need the camera person to be perfect for the iPhone video to be good. But the what's it called? For that thing,
All you have to do is
button.
just point it.
it basically follows you the whole scope.
Yeah, and then editing is so easy with their app. All right,
So cool.
we're done for the day. We're going to the gondola. So
What's your name?
Helcon.
Helcon? Maddie, nice to meet
Maddie.
you. What's your name?
Carl.
Carl, nice
It's
to
Carl.
meet you. Do you with a K or a C?
With a C.
Alright guys, ski safe.
Alrighty, thank you so much.
Yeah, you got it, bro. You're gonna love that video. You're not gonna believe it. You ski good too.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Steps up to the pressure.
Thank you. Ba, ako na yan. Woo! Gani ba kasi ano? Mapa ano to? Pagondola. Kasi ano ba? Oh, yeah.